Crunches are some of the best exercises that people use to tone their abs and flatten their abdomen. There are a variety of crunch exercises to burn those unwanted calories. In this video, we are going to show you 5 crunches variations. Just 10 minutes of these crunches every day will completely transform your body. Before we start the video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon below. Number 1. Abdominal crunches. Abdominal crunches are a great way to burn calories in the body. To perform abdominal crunches, lie on your back, knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Now place your hands on your thighs, across your chest or behind your ears. Then slowly curl up towards your knees until your shoulders are about 3 inches off the floor. Hold the position for a few seconds and then lower down slowly. Perform daily 15 to 20 repetitions with perfect form. Number 2. Cross crunches. The cross crunch is a fantastic beginner ab exercise that works more on your abdominal muscles. It also targets both your internal and external obliques. If you do 20 crunches in a minute, you will surely burn 3 calories per minute. Start this exercise by lying on your back on the ground, bending your knees and keep your feet on the floor. Now place your hands behind your head and keep your elbows flared to the side. Then begin the motion by lifting your shoulder blades off the floor and reach your right hand towards the outside of your left ankle. Focus on exhaling as you curl to maximize your abdominal contraction. Then return to the starting position. Do the same thing with the opposite side. Perform daily 10 to 15 repetitions. Number 3. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches can be an excellent way to lose weight from your belly. To perform this exercise, start seated with only your glutes and lower back touching the ground, keeping your feet permanently off the ground for this move and your hands lightly touching your ears. Lift one leg off the ground and extend it out. Then lift the other leg and bend your knee towards your chest. As you do this, bring your elbow to touch the opposite knee and focus on moving through the core to turn your torso. Do 10 to 15 bicycle crunches daily. Number 4. Standing crunches. The standing crunch hits your entire core, the upper, lower and oblique muscles. This exercise fires up the exterior ab muscles. To do this exercise, stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes facing forward and hands on your hips. Engage your abs as you tilt your pelvis forward as if you are trying to bring your belly button to your spine and your hips up to your chest. Then, tilt your pelvis backwards to stick out your butt as you bring your shoulders back and chest forward. Return to starting position to complete the exercise. Perform this exercise for 10 to 15 repetitions. Number 5. V-sit crunches. This exercise builds core strength by working multiple areas of the core at the same time. Start in a seated position with your hands and feet on the floor. Now slowly contract your abdominal muscles and core as you raise your legs slowly to an angle of 45 degrees. Reach your hands out in front of you and try to extend forward in line with your shins. Try to balance yourself and maintain good posture, ensuring that the shoulders aren't shrugged. Now hold this position for a few seconds at the beginning. You can hold V-shaped position for a longer period of time as you get stronger. Then slowly return to your starting position as you continue to keep your abs tight and engaged. Repeat this exercise 15 times. Here we end up for today. Will you start doing these exercises from tomorrow? Which exercise out of these do you find the most challenging? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, hit like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching the video.